A little cat eye flick is one of those things you have to have in your arsenal. You gotta know how to do it. It's such an easy way to change up your makeup without really doing a ton of things differently, and it gives you a totally different look. So this is something I would do if I was going on a date or had a wedding to go to, or just needed to amp my makeup up a bit more than what I do every day. You could certainly make this more dramatic if you wanted to, or you may have seen my other video where I showed how to do like a very subtle everyday cat eye. So you've got options. But doing a cat eye on most eye shapes helps make your eyes look a little bit longer. It might in turn make them look a little bit bigger. And I did watch an awesome tutorial if you have hooded lids on how to do a cat eye on hooded lids. So if you have hooded lids, be sure to look right under this video to see Andrea do a beautiful cat eye on hooded lids. A few rules that I follow when I'm doing a cat eye is go natural-ish on the rest of my makeup. You may have seen like the classic makeup look of a strong cat eye and a bold red lip, and that is certainly a look and a statement that you can do. For me, since the cat eye is sort of the focal point of the makeup look, I like to keep the rest of my makeup like pink and natural looking, a pink lip, that sort of thing. So I also keep my eyeshadow kind of neutral and soft. You could skip eyeshadow altogether and just do like an eyelid primer that matches your foundation and simply have the eyeliner and the mascara do all the talking for the eye look. I think that looks really beautiful as well. And then on my lower lash line, I don't do any liner. I just do a bit of mascara to balance the eye shape. So the focus is obviously on the cat eye liner. I like to start by pulling my eye taut. That gives me a nice smooth canvas to draw on. I don't have any wrinkles, or I'm not going to drag my skin at all with the pencil. And I start at the outer corner, not at the outer point of the cat eye, right at the base of my eyelid. And then I'll slowly work the pencil back and forth to develop some darkness right there at the corner, and then very gently, using soft strokes, pull the eyeliner out to the point I want the cat eye to end. Then you'll notice I'm taking the pencil in toward my inner corner to create the rest of the eyeliner look on my top lash line. That is an easy way to do it because my eyelid is already pulled taut, so I'm not going to get any wrinkling or bending of my eyelid as I'm pulling the liner in. After I've established the cat eye with the kohl pencil, I will take liquid liner and fill in any holes of the liner, like you could see skin through, or the very base of my eyelashes. That is how I create a nice thick line without having to mess with liquid liner the whole time. If you're worried about making the wings match, when you're doing the second one, try and keep it a little bit smaller than the first one. Then step back, take a look at what you're working with, and you can always go bigger, but it's a lot harder to go smaller with that wing. So here's the end result. It's a really pretty statement eye, something I think every girl needs to know, whether you do it once a year or this is your everyday makeup. It is a great, beautiful eye look.